today guys, here we are. I've been making some sock puppets. No, not sock puppets, paper puppets. Paper puppets. With starring King Archie 1. And this one I just made is Bob, but you can color it in because I have basically got all colors. I made this one myself in the first question. Look, I used this square, and I cut another square. And first I do this and then fold it. Then I fold it here, and then I fold it, and then I put it there. And there's my first perfect. And there's Bob. So first we're gonna do another one. But it's gonna be plain. Oh, it's gonna be plain. Yeah, sorry, I hope you can see. Okay, here we go. Then I fold it out. Or let's do it like to make it clearer. I'm gonna do this. That. Then and mint, or you can just show it like this. Then close. Too big? Yes. Then you also close it again. Then here's the top one. But first, I wanted to show you something. Yes, okay. Now, first things up. Remember the skateboard? No, it's kind of sticky. Now, whenever I'm skating, bam, I'll stick right on it. Next, I think you must have saw. This is my sister's suitcase, by the way. A minion! To make it all up to Avengers Age of Ultron. Bam! Hello! No, die. What? Oh my god!